My entire life I've been chasing that rush. I've always had the desire and the urge to keep learning something new.
Tries to come through and grab third place. Can he do it? Yes, he can.
Motor racing has played such a big part of my youth, and ever since I quit the sport to pursue a career in aviation, I've always struggled to find that something to fill that gap. I've always dreamed of combining my passion of motor racing, my love of photography and my flying. And a few months back, I did just that. I picked up my first FPV drone. I had no idea how time-consuming the world of FPV would be. I've spent countless hours researching the internet, from anything from electronics, soldering, battery management, you name it. FPV has opened up this whole new world for me and has given me this ability to capture and share such a unique perspective.
Welcome to Tango 2.
This is my journey.